Yeah, we're already here picking up our laundry. Although it's already done, we didn't do anything. We just needed to fold those things, right? So, yes. How's the feeling that you're here and everything's expensive?
Yes, it's so expensive here in America.
Compared to our country, that's 6 times.
It's time to move on.
It's time to move on. Then win on. So here it is, guys. We're just here to tell you how expensive it is here. It's times 4 of our.
So you tell them how much we pay every time we do laundry.
Actually, since we have 2 pocket bags and it's kind of heavy, it's around, I don't know how many kilos, maybe it's already 5 kilos.
About 7.
Do you think? 7?
I think 7.
Yeah, although the washing machine here, so expensive, but it's worth it because
Give it to me, I'm worth it.
So today's our day off and we're just having fun. Even the best. We're just having fun around here because this is our daily routine though. Not daily, weekly routine.
It's our day off, so.
Yeah, we actually wanted to explore more places, but our energies are not capable of doing so. We're just,
Because one day is not enough.
Yeah.
One day! One day!
Yeah, we work here as singers, performers, entertainers, sometimes comedians. Comedians, it depends
On the mood.
on the mood. Yeah. So every time I try to fly, I
fall.
fall. Okay, so this shirt here, this is owned by Cindy.
Thank you.
Thank you. Shout out to Cindy
And Rachel.
Yes, Rachel.
Shout
Thank
out
so
to
much
you.
for the sponsorship and the upcoming sponsorships.
And to Pizza Madriganes.
To Senior Cool. That is actually sponsored by Senior Cool because he wanted me to get slimmer every day.
Yes.
But gosh, I told him I should be myself. I should be myself every single time. I don't want to be sexy because if I get so sexy, everybody will like me. Anyway,
Anywho.
so suggest. Can you
request a song?
Yes, you may request a song.
Feel
And
free to approach our blog waitresses here.
So this is what's left on our voices because he's
English. Uy, saya ada tagod.
is that what? Actually, guys, I was motivated to do my vlog. However, I'm so doubtful about my language. I don't know if it fits, but
No doubting. Just be yourself.
Okay, so if you travel in this country, I don't wanna talk about the name of the country.
wanna talk about it.
Ay, nag-vlog pala tayo.